Well, good evening, everybody. My name is Chris. You're watching Merely on Time, and it is late at night. I'm feeling kind of a Killing Time with Norman vibe, although I don't really have a cool hat. Or do I? Wasn't kidding. It is late at night. I'm getting home, and Norman, I love you. I had to do, imitation is the greatest form of flattery. Is that the saying? I don't know. It's got to be something like that. But this is a true unboxing video. As you saw from the title, I have a new Seiko. It is late at night, so I'm talking a little quieter. This I bought from Long Island Watch, and I want to say a huge thank you to all of you, my supporters, because this is the first watch that I have been able to buy as a direct result of viewer support. And actually it was as a result of the affiliate links for Nubeo and Spinnaker and Aviate that I was able to get this watch, and I got it from longislandwatch.com. And so, that's what we're dealing with today. And so, let us begin. Okay, so I haven't even cracked open the box. As always, for these unboxing videos, I want you to let me know what you think of the watch when I do get to review this one at some point in the next week or two. I will include some of the comments in the review of your first impressions of this watch. Now, this is a watch I wasn't 100% sure about, but I did see it on a buddy of mine's wrist on Instagram. True Brit had a picture of this watch on his wrist on Instagram, and it kind of convinced me that, this is something that I want to go for. I had my eye on it for a little bit, but didn't pull the trigger, and I was kind of wondering, is this going to be right for me or not? When I saw it on my friend's wrist, I thought, I'm going to go for it. Now, obviously, the intro of the video, I wasn't making fun of. I really love Norman. Killing Time with Norman. Please go check out his channel. I will leave a link right up there for you to go check out his channel. One of the coolest guys in the world. I really dig him. And I just had to do it. This is my son's hat. My son's character. And this hat belongs to him. So let's crack on. Let's get this box unopened. I got it today, and I wanted to save it for tonight so that you could get my true first reaction from it. And I'm using my Leatherman Wave multi-tool to open this one up. And being careful not to ruin this box, because I'll probably reuse it in order to send a watch out for a giveaway that's coming soon. I'm also planning on selling some of my watches, so saving some of these boxes is going to be a good idea. All right. Hit a dish. So here it is. We're opening up a Seiko. So let's get the camera turned around and see what we got. All right. So before we crack on with my new Seiko, just show you what I'm wearing on wrist. And this is my Citizen Echo Drive Pro Master Diver. Really loving this thing. Going to be doing a full review of it soon. Will be the next review. But let's crack on with this. Again, I got it at longislandwatch.com. I'll leave a link in the description for where you can get it. What we are dealing with is model SNK P23. Retail for $275. I actually got it on sale, I believe, for around $200 at Long Island Watch, but you can check the link in the description. Here we go. This is my first reaction to the watch with you guys, so here it is. And this is the Seiko Recraft, and there it is. Oh, wow. It is really cool. Looks like there's some dust on there, some plastic obviously on this, so let me work away at getting this plastic off here. So, well, there's a bummer. Look at that. One little micro adjust. But let's get to this dial and see if there's any. I don't see any or feel any plastic on that dial. So let me get a cloth and just kind of wipe this thing off. The reason I wasn't sure about this was because of the shape. You know, square. But boy, is that ever a beautiful looking watch. As you can see, day date, automatic, a nice blue inner ring, a nice black outer covering. Boy, this is looking kind of sharp. That's the side profile. Looks like it's got some polish on it. A little bit smudgy. Let's clean that up. And, ooh. I'm not sure about that. Looks like it's kind of scuffed up a little bit. Let's see if that's just... Yeah, that's... Ay. I might have to mention something to the boys over at Long Island Watch about that. That is... Boy, that's really marked up there. Let's see what it's like on the other side. Yeah, it looks nice and clean there. But yeah, I don't like the look of that side profile on the other side. I'm gonna have to be honest. The dial is fantastic. Boy, that is nice. Really digging the dial, but not really happy about that. You know, maybe have to show this video to the guys at Long Island. But that is scratched. That is scuffed up. Oh. I'm not. I'm gonna have to contact Mark, and maybe they have another one, but that's not. Let's be honest, that's not gonna be cool or acceptable. Let's see, display case back. Yeah. So we do have a display case back showing off the automatic movement, and yeah. So, okay. First impressions, I really love the dial. I really like this bracelet. I'm not too impressed with that. Oh, that is that? Oh, man, it's just scratched. Well, this might turn into a customer service gig. Because that's just not going to work for me. Obviously, I'm going to show Mark the video and Ryan the video. I'll send them a link to this unboxing, and we'll see what they say. But I'm thinking I'm not sure if that'll polish out. But those are scratches. Let me just try one more time. And yeah, that is just not cool. I have to admit I'm a little bit disappointed about that, but let me throw it on wrist. Boy, that is just a sharp looking dial. Obviously well, I'm not going to bother speccing it out because I think I'm going to be contacting them to see about getting this thing exchanged. Arg. Because that's just, for a new watch, brand new, this is not gonna work for me. Yeah, unfortunately. Looks pretty decent on that side. But, oh. I love this watch. It looks cool. Let me just throw it on wrist, and then I'll keep you guys posted in regards to what happens with this one because of that scratching. Oh, man, am I upset about that. This is what it's going to look like on the wrist. Whew, that is sharp. I'm digging that. But yeah, a real shame. A real shame about that side profile. Let me just show it to you again. And then the guys at Long Island Watch can see that. Oh, bummer. All right, so Houston, we have a bit of a problem. The scratches aren't nearly as visible when I look down at the watch like this as they were on camera, but you know, they are definitely still there. And I'm going to be touching base with Mark and Ryan. I will give you guys an update in regards to that, but I am like 99.999% confident that once they see the video and watch me unbox this thing, that they will exchange it. Hopefully they have another one in stock that I can just do a simple exchange, or maybe just perhaps I'll wait to get it, wait for another one to come back in. But I am confident that they'll take care of the issue. If this was an Aliexpress watch, it would be a whole nother story. It would probably not work out as good. So that's that, guys. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing a review of this one. I'm not going to take the tag off of it. I'm just going to package this back up, send this video on to Mark and Ryan, and let them know I'd like to exchange this piece for another one. And when I get that one, I'll do a review on it. But let me know what your impressions are of the watch. Obviously, notwithstanding those scratches, I think it's gorgeous, and really looking forward to owning this one. And again, this was all thanks to your support for using the affiliate links in my descriptions of the video. There will be affiliate links in the description below. If you want to buy something from AliExpress on the sale, you can use my link to the main website and then just go from there. Or Spinnaker, Aviate, Nubeo are also below. So thank you so much, guys, for your support. It has helped me to get another really nice watch, notwithstanding the issue we had today. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. I will keep you up to date on this, and we will see you in the next video. God bless you.